If you have ever needed to send money quickly to a friend, family member, or even pay a small service provider, Zelle is one of the fastest options available through your bank. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to pay someone with Zelle, step by step, using real examples so you can do it confidently without making mistakes. Zelle is a digital payment service that allows you to send money directly from your bank account to another person's bank account. There is no wallet balance to manage, and no waiting days for transfers. Once the payment is sent, it usually arrives within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle. To get started, you need to confirm that your bank supports Zelle. Most major banks and credit unions already have Zelle built directly into their mobile banking app or online banking platform. Open your bank's app and look for a section called Zelle, Send Money with Zelle or Payments. If you do not see it, you can also use the standalone Zelle app, but using your bank's app is usually the simplest option. Once you open Zelle inside your banking app, the first step is setting it up. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and confirming your email address or mobile phone number. This email or phone number becomes your Zelle profile, which people will use to send you money. Make sure you use an email address or phone number that you actively use and can access at any time. Now, let us talk about how to actually pay someone. Inside the Zelle section, tap or click on Send or Pay. You will then be asked to choose a recipient. If you have sent money to this person before, their name may already appear in your contacts. If not, you can add a new recipient by entering their email address or US mobile phone number. Always double-check this information, because Zelle payments cannot be cancelled once they are sent. After entering the recipient's details, you will be prompted to enter the amount you want to send. Type in the exact amount and review it carefully. Some banks also allow you to add a short note or memo, such as rent, dinner, or reimbursement. This note is optional, but it can help both you and the recipient remember what the payment was for. Next, you will select the bank account you want the money to come from. If you have multiple accounts linked to your bank app, such as checking and savings, make sure you choose the correct one. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient's name, contact information, and payment amount. Once everything looks correct, confirm the payment. Your bank may ask you to verify the transaction using a one-time code, fingerprint, or face recognition, depending on your security settings. After confirmation, the money is sent immediately. If the person you paid is already enrolled with Zelle, they will receive the money almost instantly. If they are not enrolled yet, they will receive a notification explaining how to sign up. Once they complete enrollment using the same email or phone number you used, the money will be deposited into their bank account. One important thing to understand about Zelle is that it is designed for paying people you trust. Because payments move so quickly, there is no built-in dispute process like you might find with a credit card or some third-party payment apps. Always confirm you are sending money to the right person, and avoid using Zelle to pay strangers or unknown sellers. You might be wondering about fees. In most cases, Zelle does not charge any fees to send or receive money. Your bank also typically does not charge for Zelle transactions, which makes it a cost-effective option for everyday payments. However, it is still a good idea to check your bank's specific terms just to be sure. Another common question is about payment limits. Most banks set daily or monthly limits on how much you can send with Zelle. These limits vary by bank and sometimes by account type. If you try to send more than your limit allows, the app will notify you and prevent the transaction. In summary, paying someone with Zelle is simple. Open your bank's app, go to Zelle, choose Send, enter the recipient's email or phone number, select the amount, review the details, and confirm. The money goes straight from your bank account to theirs, usually within minutes, with no fees and no extra steps. If you want a fast, secure, and convenient way to send money directly from your bank, Zelle is one of the best options available. Once you use it a few times, the process becomes second nature, and you will see why so many people rely on it for everyday payments.